Hello and welcome back.
Hi, everyone. We are so happy to see you today.
For anyone new here, I'm Emma.
And I'm Sam. We're here to help you practice real, everyday English.
If you're enjoying learning with us, please hit that subscribe button and give this video a like.
It really helps us reach more English learners around the world.
Okay, are you ready to unlock some English today?
Always ready. Let's do this.
So, Sam, what did you do this weekend?
Honestly, I just stayed home. I cleaned my apartment a little. And by a little, I mean very little.
That sounds relaxing, though.
It was. I made coffee, sat on my balcony, and watched the clouds. Mochi sat with me.
Mochi loves the balcony, right?
He does. He sits on the sunny cushion and watches the birds. I think he thinks he's a lion.
A very orange, very round lion.
Exactly. What about you, Emma?
I stayed home too. I watered all my plants. It took about an hour.
An hour? How many plants do you have now?
About 20. Maybe too many?
There's no such thing as too many plants.
That's what I tell myself. And that's actually perfect for today's topic.
Yes. Today we're talking about home.
Home. Such a wonderful topic.
So, Emma, what does home mean to you?
That's a great question. I think home can mean many things.
Me too. It's not just a building, right?
Right. And today we'll talk about different types of homes. We'll describe our homes, and we'll also talk about the feeling of home.
Because home is more than just walls and a roof.
Exactly.
It's where we feel safe, where we belong.
I love that. Let's start.
First, let's talk about different types of homes. What kind of home do you live in, Emma?
I live in an apartment. It's by the river.
Oh, that sounds nice. Is it big?
Not very big. It's a 2-bedroom apartment. But I have big windows, so it feels spacious.
Spacious, that's a good word. It means there's a lot of space.
Yes, the light comes in and makes everything feel open. What about you, Sam? What kind of home do you live in?
I also live in an apartment, a 1-bedroom apartment in downtown Vancouver.
Is it cozy?
Very cozy. It's small but comfortable. I have a living room, a small kitchen, 1 bedroom, and a bathroom, and a little balcony. That's my favorite part.
Cozy means warm and comfortable, right?
Exactly. When something is cozy, it feels nice and warm, like a blanket on a cold day, or a cup of hot chocolate.
I love that word, cozy. Let me use it in a sentence. My reading corner is very cozy.
Perfect. Now, there are other types of homes too, not just apartments.
Right. Some people live in houses. A house is usually bigger than an apartment.
Yes. Houses often have things apartments don't have, like a yard, a garden, maybe a garage for a car.
My parents live in a house in Toronto. It has 3 bedrooms, a backyard, and a small garden.
That sounds lovely. Do they grow anything in the garden?
My mom grows tomatoes and herbs, and some flowers. She loves gardening.
That's wonderful. I wish I had a garden. But apartments are easier to take care of.
That's true. I don't have to mow a lawn.
Mow a lawn means to cut the grass with a machine.
And I don't have to shovel snow in winter.
Shovel snow means to remove snow with a shovel. That's hard work.
Very hard work. I'm happy someone else does it for my building.
Me too. There's another type of home, a studio apartment.
What's a studio?
A studio is a very small apartment. Everything is in one room. Your bedroom and living room are the same space.
Oh, I see. It's like an all-in-one room.
Exactly. When I lived in Tokyo, I had a studio apartment. It was tiny.
How tiny?
So small that my bed was also my sofa, and my kitchen was just 2 steps from my desk.
That's really small, but I bet you learned to be very organized.
I had to be. Everything had a place. Otherwise, it was chaos.
Some people also have roommates, right?
Yes, roommates are people you share a home with. They're not family, just people living together.
When I was in university, I had 2 roommates. We shared an apartment.
How was that experience?
Fun, but sometimes loud. They liked to stay up late talking.
I can imagine. Roommates can be fun, but you need to share everything. The kitchen, the bathroom, the living room.
It taught me a lot about compromise and about using headphones.
Very important skill.
Now let's practice describing our homes in more detail.
Let's talk about how to describe a home. Emma, can you describe your apartment?
Sure. My apartment is bright and cozy. When you walk in, you see my living room with all my plants.
That sounds lovely. What else is in your living room?
There's my reading corner, of course, and a small bookshelf. What about your living room, Sam?
There's a gray sofa, a coffee table, and my TV's on the wall.
Is it tidy or messy?
To be honest, it's a little messy. My desk is in the corner, and it always has papers everywhere.
That's okay. Many people have messy desks.
I also have a chair. I call it my maybe clean chair.
What's a maybe clean chair?
It's the chair where I put clothes that are maybe clean. Not dirty, but not clean enough to put back in the closet.
I think everyone has one of those.
I hope so. What about your place, Emma?
My apartment is bright. That's the word I would use, because of the big windows.
What's your favorite spot in your home?
Oh, that's easy. My reading corner. It's by the window in the living room.
Tell me more about it.
It's a big gray armchair, very soft. I have a cozy blanket there for cold days and a reading lamp next to it with warm yellow light.
That sounds perfect for reading.
It is. When it rains, I sit there with my tea and listen to the rain on the window. It's so peaceful. I can read for hours.
That's beautiful. I can picture it. The sound of rain, the warm light, a good book.
Everyone should have a favorite spot in their home, a place that makes them happy.
I agree. For me, it's my balcony. I like to sit there with my coffee in the morning. I can see the sky, I can hear the birds.
That sounds peaceful too.
It is. Mochi sits with me sometimes. He watches the birds very carefully.
Like a little hunter.
Exactly. Now, let's learn some useful adjectives for describing homes.
Great idea. These are very helpful words.
First, spacious. That means there's a lot of space, big and open, not crowded.
My living room is spacious. There's room for a big sofa and a dining table.
The new office is very spacious. Everyone has their own desk.
I wish my apartment was more spacious, but I like it anyway.
Second, cozy. We mentioned this before. It means warm, comfortable, nice.
Her bedroom is very cozy. It has soft blankets and warm lights.
This cafe is so cozy. I love coming here.
Cozy is one of my favorite words. It makes me feel warm just saying it.
Third, tidy. That means clean and organized. Everything is in its place.
My kitchen is always tidy. I clean it every day.
Please keep your desks tidy. That's what my mom always said to me.
Did you listen?
Sometimes. And the opposite of tidy is messy. That means disorganized. Things are everywhere.
Sorry, my room is so messy. I didn't have time to clean.
I say that a lot. Too often, maybe.
Me too sometimes, but that's okay. Nobody is perfect.
Now let's talk about something special. Hometown.
Oh, I love this topic. Hometown means the place where you grew up.
The city or town where you were born or where you spent your childhood.
Hometown. Sam, where is your hometown?
My hometown is Vancouver. I was born there and grew up there.
What do you love about Vancouver?
So many things. The mountains, the ocean, the fresh air.
It sounds beautiful.
It is. When I was a kid, my family would go to Stanley Park every weekend. It's a big park near the ocean.
What did you do there?
We would walk, sometimes ride bikes. In winter, we would just drink hot chocolate and watch the water.
That sounds like such a nice memory.
It is. When I think of home, I think of those walks with my parents. The smell of the trees, the sound of the ocean.
Oh, that's beautiful, Sam.
What about you, Emma? Where's your hometown?
Toronto. I was born and raised there.
Tell me about it.
Toronto is a big city, very diverse. People from all over the world live there.
What do you love most about it?
The food. When I was growing up, my neighborhood had Chinese restaurants, Italian restaurants, Indian restaurants, everything.
That sounds amazing.
And, of course, my mom's kitchen. That's where I really think of home.
What do you mean?
When I think of home, I think of my mom making dumplings. I would sit at the kitchen table and help her.
You helped make the dumplings?
Sort of. I was very bad at it. My dumplings looked like little monsters.
Little dumpling monsters.
But my mom was so patient. She would say, "It's okay, the taste is the same," and she was right.
That's such a sweet memory. I can almost smell the dumplings.
Me too. That's the smell of home for me.
I understand. For me, home smells like coffee and maple syrup.
Very Canadian.
Yes, my dad made pancakes every Sunday. The whole house smelled like maple syrup.
These memories are so important. Home is not just a place, it's the memories we have there.
Exactly. The people, the smells, the feelings.
I think that's why photos are so important. They bring back those memories.
That's so true. I have a photo of Stanley Park on my desk. Every time I see it, I feel a little bit of home.
I have a photo of my mom's kitchen on my fridge. It makes me smile every day.
Now let's talk about some useful expressions with the word home.
Great idea. These are phrases that English speakers use all the time.
The first one is feel at home.
Oh, I use this one a lot.
This means to feel comfortable, relaxed, like you belong.
For example, please sit down, make yourself at home.
When you visit someone's house, they might say that. It means be comfortable, act like this is your own home.
Another example, I just moved to this city, but I already feel at home here.
That means I feel comfortable here. I like it here.
What makes you feel at home, Sam?
Good question. I feel at home when I'm with people I care about, or when Mochi is sleeping on my feet.
Mochi makes everywhere feel like home.
He does. What about you?
I feel at home when I'm surrounded by my plants and when I have a cup of tea in my hands.
That's lovely. There's another expression, home is where the heart is.
Oh, I love this one. What does it mean?
It means home is not about the building. It's about the people you love. Wherever they are, that's home.
So if your family moves to a new city, home moves with them.
Exactly. The location doesn't matter. The love matters.
That's so true. When I was working in Hong Kong, I missed home a lot. But when my best friend came to visit, suddenly my tiny apartment felt like home.
Because your friend was there.
Exactly. Home is where the heart is.
Beautiful.
Speaking of missing home, let's talk about homesickness.
Good idea. This is an important topic.
Homesick, that's when you miss home very much.
Yes, when you're far from home and you feel sad because you miss it.
Have you ever felt homesick, Sam?
Oh, yes, when I lived in Tokyo.
Tell me about it.
It was my first time living in another country. The first few months were exciting. Everything was new.
And then?
And then I started to miss things. Small things.
Like what?
Like the smell of coffee at the bean corner, my mom's phone calls, even the rain in Vancouver.
That's so relatable.
One day I found a Canadian restaurant in Tokyo. They had maple syrup.
Real Canadian maple syrup?
Real. I ordered pancakes, and when I tasted it, I almost cried.
Sam!
It's true. It tasted like Sunday mornings with my dad.
I understand completely. I felt homesick in Hong Kong, too.
Really? Tell me.
It was my first day there. I got lost, I was tired, I was alone, and I suddenly wanted my mom.
That's so normal.
I remember calling her, and just hearing her voice, I felt better.
That's what home is, right? The voice of someone who loves you.
Exactly. And you know what helped me?
What?
I brought some things from home. Photos, a blanket my grandma made, my favorite tea.
Those small things can help so much.
They make a new place feel less foreign, less strange.
Good advice for anyone feeling homesick. Bring pieces of home with you.
And call your family. Video calls are wonderful.
You can see their faces. It makes the distance feel smaller.
Okay, Sam, we used many important words today. Let's review them.
Great idea. Let's help our friends remember these words.
Our first word is hometown.
Yes, hometown is a noun. It means the place where you grew up, where you were born or spent your childhood.
Can you give us an example?
For example, my hometown is Vancouver. I was born there.
Or, I moved away, but I still visit my hometown every year.
Can you think of a sentence? What's your hometown?
Great! Second word, cozy.
Cozy is an adjective. It means warm, comfortable, and nice. It gives a nice feeling.
This cafe is so cozy. I love the warm lights and soft music.
My bedroom is small but cozy. I love spending time there.
Now you try. Describe something cozy.
Third word, spacious.
Spacious is an adjective. It means there's a lot of space, big and open.
Their new house is very spacious. It has 5 bedrooms.
I prefer spacious apartments. I don't like small rooms.
Fourth word, messy.
Messy is an adjective. It means disorganized. Things are not in their place.
My desk is always messy. I should clean it.
Sorry, my room is a bit messy right now.
Remember, the opposite is tidy. Tidy means clean and organized.
Fifth word, homesick.
Homesick is an adjective. It means you miss home and feel sad about it.
When I studied abroad, I was very homesick at first.
If you feel homesick, call your family. It helps.
Sixth word, memories.
Memories is a noun. It means the things you remember from the past.
I have wonderful memories of my grandmother's house.
This song brings back memories of my childhood.
You'll belong.
Belong is a verb. It means to be part of something, to feel like you fit.
I finally feel like I belong here.
Everyone wants to belong somewhere.
And our eighth word, comfortable.
Comfortable is an adjective. It means you feel relaxed and at ease.
This chair is so comfortable. I could sit here all day.
Please make yourself comfortable.
These are all wonderful words for talking about home.
Let's say them one more time together.
Repeat after us.
Hometown,
Cozy,
spacious,
messy,
homesick,
memories,
belong.
comfortable.
Excellent. You're doing so well.
Wow, Sam, we talked about so many things today.
We really did. It was a wonderful topic. Let's think about everything we covered.
First, we talked about different types of homes: apartments, houses, studios, and living with roommates.
We learned that apartments are easier to take care of, houses have more space, and studios are small but can be very organized.
Then we practiced describing our homes. We learned words like cozy, spacious, messy, and tidy.
We talked about our favorite spots: my balcony, your reading corner.
We also talked about hometowns. You shared memories of Vancouver and Stanley Park.
And you shared memories of Toronto and your mom's dumpling kitchen.
I can still smell those dumplings.
We learned the phrases feel at home and home is where the heart is.
These are such beautiful expressions. They remind us that home is about feelings, not just places.
And we talked about homesickness, how it feels when you miss home and how to handle it.
Bring pieces of home with you. Call your family. Look at photos.
Remember, home is more than just a building. It's the people, the memories, the smells, the feelings.
Wherever you feel loved and comfortable, that's home.
Beautifully said, Emma. And to all our viewers, wherever you are right now, we hope you feel at home with us.
We always enjoy spending this time with you.
And now, it's time for our favorite part.
The question of the day. Today we have 2 questions for you. You can answer one or both.
Question number 1. Describe your home. What does it look like? Is it big or small, cozy or spacious?
For example, I would say, my home is a small apartment by the river. It's bright and cozy. My favorite spot is my reading corner.
And I would say, my home is a 1-bedroom apartment. It's a little messy, but it's mine. I love my balcony.
Now it's your turn. Describe your home.
Question number 2. What makes a place feel like home to you? Is it the people, the memories, the food?
For me, home feels like home when I have my plants and my tea.
For me, it's having mochi with me and the smell of good coffee.
We want to know about you. Please write your answer in the comments below.
We read every single comment and we love learning about your lives.
It makes us so happy to hear from you.
Thank you so much for watching and for practicing English with us today.
You are all amazing learners. We're so proud of how hard you work.
If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up.
And click subscribe and the little bell so you never miss a new video. Until then, keep learning, keep practicing, and remember,
every word you learn opens a new door.
Bye everyone!
Goodbye, and stay cozy at home.